I understand my risk. I am my own risk manager. There's a saying by Mark Twain, it's not what you don't know that hurts you, it's what you think you know for certain that just ain't so. Risk management, in my view, is done by one thing and one thing only: the size of your position. If you're saying, I'm only going to lose $100 on this trade, it just ain't so. Because, first of all, especially if you put it in the very wrong place, you're going to have more slippage than you need to have. And your risk isn't managed because it can blow through that stop without filling you. Power goes out, it's not our fault. You're on your own. Everything is a force majeure, an act of God. Let's just say that one of the hurricanes, it takes your power out for a week in the middle of a trade. Whatever you lost, you lost. So you never have your risk fully managed. And the reason that that's a myth for me is that people don't take that and say, I need to do everything in my power to make sure I don't blow up, even before I do anything to make money.